How much would a $1 million home in Beverly Hills cost in 30 other U.S. markets? Let's take a look. First, let's consider the fact that a $1 million home in Beverly Hills is only 615.83 square feet. That's the most expensive real estate in the United States at $1,623.82 per square foot. Now, let's compare that to the city of Detroit. That $1 million home in Beverly Hills would cost 55 times as much as a house in the Motor City. Here's another fact to consider. 6 of the top 10 most expensive real estate in the United States are in California. In contrast, 4 of the 10 cities with the lowest median cost per square foot are in Pennsylvania. Think about that for a second. A $1 million home in Beverly Hills, California would be worth only $13,702.22 in Tamaqua, Pennsylvania. That's a discount of 98.63%.